Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. This is a really useful skill, especially when you want to share what you do every day with others. So let's get started. Section 1, Vocabulary section. First, let's learn some important vocabulary words for daily activities. These words will help you talk about your day clearly. First one, wake up. When you stop sleeping and open your eyes. Second one, eat breakfast. The first meal of the day, usually in the morning. Third one, go to work. The action of leaving home and traveling to your job. Fourth one, come home. When you return to your house after work or school. Last one, sleep. The time when you rest, usually at night. Let's look at some examples of how we use these words in sentences. Repeat after me. Examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at a.m. I eat breakfast at a.m. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I come home at 6 p.m. I come home at 6 p.m. I sleep at 10 p.m. I sleep at 10 p.m. Section 2, Sentence Structure Practice. Now that you know the vocabulary, let's put it together in sentences. We're going to make simple sentences about a typical day. First, you need to start with a time or an action. Then, you say what happens after that. Let's practice. I will say a sentence, and you can repeat it after me. First one, first. First, I wake up. First, I wake up. Second one, then. Then, I eat breakfast. Then, I eat breakfast. Third one, after that. After that, I go to work. After that, I go to work. Fourth one, next. Next, I come home. Next, I come home. Last, finally. Finally, I sleep. Finally, I sleep. Notice how we use words like first, then, and finally to show the order of our activities. This makes it easier to understand what happens at different times of the day. Section 3, Example Story about a day. Let's put all of this together in a simple story about a day. Listen carefully and follow along with me. Here's a story about my day. First, I wake up at 6 a.m. Then, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. After that, I go to work by car at 7:30 a.m. Next, I come home at 6 p.m. Finally, I sleep at 10 p.m. Now, let's practice. I want you to try making your own story using these sentences. You can use the words first, then, and finally to describe your day. Great! Now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences. I'll ask some questions to help you. What time do you wake up? Do you eat breakfast in the morning? How do you go to work or school? What time do you come home? What time do you sleep? Now, let's see some examples from you. Write your answers in the comments below, and I'll be happy to check them for you. Fantastic job today, everyone! Now you know how to talk about your day in English. Remember to practice these sentences every day, and soon it will be easy to talk about your routine in English. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time, and have a great day!